rented these motorbike. It's for $15 each. We rented for a whole day. We'll be driving from the hotel down to the beach here. It's pretty easy to ride. It's really fun. It's fit for 2 people, but I want the experience of riding a motorbike, and Lisa wants to ride an experience. Want to have the experience too. So yeah, it's been fun. Yeah.
You got this. You can park it, baby. You don't need to press on the gas. Just advance with your feet. Good job. Yeah, I should have enough room. Did you put your shit down? Okay. Just like that. Good job. You look hot, by the way, when you got in front of me. Uh-huh. Right. Good job. We parked it. All right. That's cool.